So you got a lot of people telling you stuff about that other film you did?
Which one?
Because dude's getting high and stuff like that.
Well, people, just other barbers, like, or people saying stuff like that.
And he was smoking while cutting his hair, I presume. I'm assuming.
Yeah. Or some people were like, man, barbers be high as fuck cutting hair. Yeah, like, it's so weird though. Like on videos that have nothing like controversial, I'll get like weird, hateful comments. Not like all the time, but every now and then.
Yeah, but I mean, I feel like people are just gonna always criticize no matter what you do. You can make a beautiful video about a cat. You know what I mean? Somebody's gonna find something to say. You know what I mean?
Talk shit about.
Yeah, there's always gonna be somebody finding something. There's gonna be a hater everywhere. Yeah, bro, like dematerialize is crazy. Like understand that, bro, you'll be fine. You gotta just brush those people off and just focus on the positive. I haven't talked to Randy since he left New York. Since he left New York.
Serious?
Yeah. Like, I mean, he'll drunk call me.
Really?
Yeah. Like some type of ex-girl. But it's just, I run into so many young barbers nowadays, bro. It's just like, damn, bro, you gotta get your head out of your ass. Oh, sorry.
No, go for it. Whatever you feel.
Like, bro, like they feel like it's like, or they just assume that they're gonna come in here and just make all this money, bro. Like, oh, I'm gonna make all this money, and they see all these barbers on Instagram now, and they're doing all this, and it's like, that's gonna be me. Don't get me wrong, it can be, it can be. But the ones that are usually saying that I know personally, bro, they have no work ethic. They're not driven. They're not hungry. They think that they could just go in there and cut and just make all this money. It doesn't work that way. You gotta build a relationship with your customers, man. You gotta appreciate your customers when they come back. how I look at it. I look at customers being an investment. What's the point of cutting somebody's hair one time and you give them an average cut that's average, and you give them an average service and everything else is average, and they could find that anywhere. So what's gonna happen? They need another haircut. They're gonna come back to your shop and they're gonna be like, you know what? There's like 2-3 people waiting. I'll just go somewhere else. You know what I mean? It's not worth it. You know what I'm saying? Where it is, if you sit your customer down, you establish a relationship, you give them great service, great haircut, and you know, you pay attention to the details. You listen to what he has to say and what he wants. I mean, some people, I know barbers. A dude asked him for a taper and he gave him a fade. He's like, no, this looks better. I'm like, bro, that's not what you. No, this is what you want. Or, you know, you become cool with that person. Then next time they're gonna come back, they're gonna see the 2-3 people waiting. They're gonna be like, hey man, this barber's cool as hell. I'm gonna wait, and they're gonna wait because now you're not just a barber. Now you're a little something more. Maybe a friend, or maybe you help them out with something. You know what I mean? That old saying about barbers being counselors and barbers being, you know what I mean, like therapists and all that stuff. Like, that's true, man. Especially if your head on straight, you could really help people, man. Like, they're sitting in their chair. I mean, these people are, they're. I've had customers, man, crying, bro. Like, I had to turn the chair around because I don't want the customer seeing that they're crying, bro, telling me certain things, and it's like, wow. Like I had an impact on this dude's life. You know what I mean? Like, I had another customer. Like, it was crazy, man. I'll never forget this dude. Was like.